Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to use the Stocks Portfolio Tracker available on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. It helps you track your investments, monitor portfolio performance, and stay on top of your profits all in one place. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to enter information about accounts and main categories. The following section explains how to provide information about deposits and withdrawals from accounts. The next section explains how to enter data on the buy and sell of stocks. The next step shows how to set up a watch list to monitor stock data. The following section explains how to analyze the dashboard and gain clear insights into your portfolio performance, helping you make smarter investment decisions. This section shows how to use a calendar to analyze stock values with data distributed by purchase date. Go to the Setup sheet. Select the starting year and base currency. In this section, you need to list your accounts by broker, for example, Interactive Brokers, Ameritrade, or Robinhood, and specify the currency for each account. The data in the Available Cash column is updated automatically based on stock buy and sell transactions. Enter a few examples. In this table, you must specify a list of tickers that will be used to generate a drop-down list on the transaction sheet. Enter the ticker. The company column is filled in automatically based on the specified ticker. Enter the sector. Let's list a few tickers as an example. In the column, list the exchanges where you buy stocks. The transaction column lists the transaction types for the trading journal sheet. You can specify over 900 ticker types. If you are using the Excel version of the model, make sure the tickers are formatted as stocks. This is required for the model to automatically retrieve the current market price of each stock. Go to the Accounts sheet. On this sheet, enter the transactions for the accounts. Enter the date. Select the account. Select the exchange. Select the transaction type. The drop-down lists for this sheet are generated based on the data specified on the setup sheet. Enter the amount and fee. The amount in the transaction column is calculated automatically. Enter more data. Go to the trading journal sheet. In this table, enter all transactions related to buying and selling stocks. Enter the date. Select the account. Select the exchange. Select the ticker. The company and sector are populated automatically. Select the transaction. Enter the quantity and price. Select the currency. Enter the commission. The amounts in these columns are calculated automatically. Let's enter more data. To make things easier, input cells are highlighted in white, while formula cells that update automatically are marked in light blue. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. You can also specify transactions in any currency, and the amounts will be automatically converted to the base currency at the current exchange rate. Go to the Watchlist sheet. The top section displays general market indicators to help you get an overview of the current situation. In the table below, select a stock and all the data for it will be populated automatically. In this section, you can see key metrics that are essential for analyzing a stock. The real-time price, opening price, daily high and low, and trading volume help you understand the stock's current activity and market behavior. Percentage change and short-term changes show the stock's momentum and recent performance. Market capitalization gives you an idea of the company's overall size, while the 52-week high and low help you understand its long-term price range. Fundamental indicators like the price-to-earnings ratio and earnings per share help evaluate whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued. The beta coefficient shows how volatile the stock is compared to the overall market. On this sheet, you can select a list of tickers and analyze their data, allowing you to track your stocks of interest all in one place. Go to the Portfolio Dashboard sheet. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. All data on this sheet is updated automatically. You can view information for a specific ticker or sector. The top section displays general information about stock purchases and sales, helping you quickly understand your overall investment activity. The realized chart shows the profit or loss for each ticker. The chart shows the portfolio's composition, helping you understand how your investments are distributed across different assets. This chart shows the return on investment for a stock, allowing you to assess how effectively your investment is generating returns. This chart shows the portfolio's sector breakdown, helping you understand how your investments are distributed across different industries and identify diversification. The table below provides detailed information on each stock, allowing you to analyze profitability, monitor unrealized and realized profit and loss, and keep track of dividend income. Go to the Smart Calendar sheet. On this sheet, select the year and the calendar data will update automatically. In the calendar, stock data is displayed by purchase date. The return on investment percentage and the market value of the stock are also shown. If multiple stocks are purchased on the same day, only the first stock's name appears in the calendar. Portfolio value and return on investment reflect all. This sheet helps you quickly visualize your investment activity over time, making it easier to analyze returns, market value, and purchase history in one place. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try the template by adding your own data. You'll see how easy it is to track your investments, monitor portfolio performance, and stay organized. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.